To use the dual connection on Soundcore Space One, first you will need to install Soundcore app on both of the devices. It can be Android, it can be iPhone, it doesn't matter. In this case, I have the Android right here and the iPhone on the right. Now, when we open a Soundcore app on both of the devices, make sure that your headset is currently connected to one of them. And when it's connected, select it in the list. Go for the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen and move to device list. Make sure that dual connection is activated. Then select connect new device. And when we select add device on another device and go for the headphones, we need to actually on iPhone connect it manually using a Bluetooth. So move to the Bluetooth settings. And then in other devices, there's Soundcore Space One. And now it's connected to my iPhone. It also appears right here. And that's how you can use the dual connection on Soundcore Space One.